Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you all to social studies class. In our previous class we learned about directions. In today's class we are going to do the question answers and work page of directions.
Before doing the question answers and the work page A, we will quickly recap all the concepts that we have learned in our previous class. With the help of this recap, we will be able to answer the questions and solve the work page A very easily. So let's quickly recap all the concepts that we had learned in our previous class.
So we learned about directions, the four cardinal directions that are north, south, east and west. And along with that we learned about compass, that is a round object and tool that helps us in finding different directions. And along with that we learned about map. I hope you all remember this. Now let's start the question answers. For the topic of directions, we are having only three easy questions, and that are: where does the sun always rise? Number two, what is the name of the tool we use to show directions? And the third one is, which country is to the west of Pakistan? So we are going to have a look at each questions one by one and discuss the answers. Okay, so question number one, where does the sun always rise? In our previous class, we learned about the sunrise and sunset, and I hope you all remember that the sun always rises in the east. And make sure that you write the full complete answers. No one word answers. Okay, now let's look at the second question. That is, what is the name of the tool we use to show directions? So students, we just recapped about this and I hope that you remember what is the answer. I can give you a clue, that is that the answer of this question is round in shape and is having a pointer in the middle. So you have to look for that and write the full complete answer. Now let's look at the third question. That is, which country is to the west of Pakistan? So for that, I want you all to open your book and on page number 51, look at the map of Pakistan. There are different countries as you can see in this picture. There is Afghanistan, there is China, there is India, and there is also Iran. So you have to see that which country is to the west. Let's see that. Yes, so Afghanistan is to the west of Pakistan. So this was really very easy. And I hope that you all are going to do the question answers in a very neat manner. Now let's move to work page A. On the work page A, we can see a picture of a map or something. Let's read. A. Look at the map below. It is a map of an island. An island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water. So, students, this is a map of an island. And what is the name of the island? Can you see any name? The name is New Island. And on the map, we can see some mountains, some small islands. We can see village, forest and beach. And on the right side, we can see the pointers that are showing us the four cardinal directions that are north, south, east and west. So we are having some questions just below the map. You have to answer these questions, and for that you can either use a sticky note, you can place that on the corner of the page, or you can even write the answers in your copy. It's all up to you however you want to do that. If you are doing it on the copies, then you don't have to mention the questions. Just write the question number and write the answer. Now let's look at each question one by one. So the first question is, what is the island called? Yes, so can you all see the name of the island written just near the map? The name of the island is New Ireland. So it's all up to you however you want to write the answer, but the answer should be the complete one. You can write that the island is called New Ireland, or you can even write that the name of the island is New Ireland. It's all up to you. Now let's look at the second question. Is the beach to the north? So first we have to see that where is the beach? Is the beach to the north, students? No, the beach is to the south. You just have to take the help of the cardinal directions that are written on the right side of the page and answer these questions, and they are very easy. Now let's look at the third questions. Where are the mountains? So can you see any mountains in the map? Yes, we can see some mountains and that are to the north. Okay, so these questions are really very easy and I know that you all are smart and you all know the answers. Now let's look at the next question. In which part of the island is the forest? So can we see any forest in the map? So you have to do this question all by yourself. You have to look for the forest, you have to remember the directions, and you have to answer this question. Now let's move to the next question, that is, where is the village? Can you all see a village somewhere in the map? Yes, we can see the village is in the west. Now let's look at the last question. In which direction are the small islands? Yes, we can see some islands on the north. So you have to write the complete answer to this question. So that is all. Your task is very simple, and that is that you have to write the answers of questions and along with that the answers of the work page questions very neatly.
I know that you all are very smart and can do the questions all by yourselves, but still I have attached answer key of question answers and work page A that you can use if you get stuck somewhere. I hope you enjoyed today's class. I will catch you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.